Hello everyone, this is Nazia Afroz. Currently, I'm working as a visiting faculty and a PhD scholar in Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dubai. And today I'll be presenting a part of my PhD project, and that is cell proliferation inhibition and induction of apoptosis in HeLa cell by fisetin through modulating multiple signaling pathway. First of all, we will look at what cancer is. Cancer is a disease caused by uncontrolled cell division and is the second leading cause of death worldwide after cardiac ailment. And if we look at the cancer burden, in 2020 alone, there was a 19.3 million of new cancer cases, of which 10 million people died. And the global cancer burden is expected to increase by 47% by 2040. There are various causes of cancer, such as various environmental factors, lifestyle, pathogens, and other diseases like obesity, diabetes, etc., along with very important changes which are genetic and epigenetic alterations. Genetic and epigenetic alteration leads to a lot of function mutation of tumor suppressor gene and gain of function mutation of oncogene. Consequently, leads to disruption of balance between cell death and cell proliferation, which drives the cell towards tumorigenesis. The various hallmarks shown by these transformed cells are like they divide continuously, they disregard the anti-growth signaling, they evade apoptosis, they induce angiogenesis, and they gain replicative immortality. Although variety of conventional treatments is in place, however, there is lack of specificity and serious side effects associated with them like alopecia, diarrhea, pain, trouble breathing, neuropathy, etc. The side effects can be mitigated by using dietary agent that has safer and differential profile. And one such agent of interest is fisetin, which is found in onion, tomatoes, cucumber, parmesan, grapes, etc. And it exhibits a plethora of anti-cancer properties such as they are cytotoxic towards cancer cell, they can induce apoptosis, they reduce oxidative stress and acts as potent anti-inflammatory agent. They reduce angiogenesis and prevent invasion and metastasis. The objective of this study was to evaluate the cytotoxic effect of fisetin and understand its impact on apoptosis on human cervical cancer cells. To establish fisetin's anti-cancer property, we performed various cell-based assays and activity assays. In MTT assay, fisetin reduced viability of cancer cells, both dose and time-dependent manner, and the IC50 was found to be 50 micromolar at 48 hours, while it did not show any effect on AC16, which is a normal cell line. In nuclear morphology, after fisetin treatment, they showed characteristic apoptotic features such as nuclear blebbing, apoptotic body formation, and nuclear condensation. It also induced DNA ladder formation by fisetin treatment when subjected to electrophoresis. Next, we analyzed the biochemical activity of caspases, and we found that fisetin increases expression of caspase-3, caspase-8, and caspase-9 in dose-dependent manner. At molecular level, fisetin upregulates the expression of various pro-apoptotic genes like BID, BAC, BAX, APAF1, etc., while downregulates the expression of anti-apoptotic genes such as BCL2, NAIP, ZAIP, BERK8, etc. They also upregulates the expression of various ligands and receptors involved in extrinsic apoptotic pathway along with initiator and effector caspases. Fisetin downregulates the expression of various genes involved in signaling pathway like Wnt, MYC, SMAD, mTOR, etc. Whereas they upregulate the expression of various tumor suppressor genes like FOXO1, FOXO3, TP53, ATM, ATF2, PTPRR. So here we can see that they downregulate various signaling pathways, and to arrest cell cycle, they downregulate the expression of various cycling like CCNB2, CCNE2, CDK4, CDK2, etc. Consistent with the transcript level, at protein level also, fisetin upregulates the expression of various apoptotic genes and downregulates the expression of anti-apoptotic gene. Fisetin have also shown to exhibit potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. To relieve the oxidative stress, fisetin increases the GSH concentration in dose-dependent manner, whereas it relieves the inflammatory stress by upregulating the expression of anti-inflammatory molecule while downregulating the expression of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Therefore, we can say that fisetin modifies PIK3 or AKT, MAP kinase, TGF-beta and Wnt pathways by modulating multiple molecular players involved in these pathways both at transcript and protein level. And by modulating the expression of these different proteins in transcript, they can induce cell cycle arrest, they will prevent DNA damage, they can relieve oxidative stress and alleviate inflammation, they induce apoptosis and impede metastasis and invasion in cervical cancer. Therefore, we can say that an alternative approach to cancer chemotherapy and treatment strategy could perhaps be utilizing dietary agent as an adjuvant, which are found to have safer and effective in preclinical studies as well. However, there should be more studies conducted to increase the bioavailability and to understand the pharmacokinetics of this compound. Thank you.